Course Overview. The objective of this course is to analyze the textile and clothing industry from a sustainability point of view, with a particular focus on the new processes, business models and technologies that can be used for an improvement of the environmental impact of the textile and clothing sector. The textile sector has a huge impact on environment, from numerous points of view. Development of fast fashion with higher production of low-quality clothes. Textiles that become waste instead of being recycled. Pollutant production methods and technologies. Linear business models. New models and technologies can improve in a significant way the sustainability of the textile and clothing industry. The course is addressed mainly to actual or future product developers and R&D staff of companies. Indeed, these professional groups are designated as the most important target group for strategic training by companies that want to work on sustainability. However, sustainability requires an organization-wide approach, and therefore, all professional categories can play a role in building a sustainable production process and must therefore receive the necessary training. The course is divided into several learning units. Each learning unit consists of video lectures, each with a duration of 3 to 5 minutes, focusing on a specific aspect of the learning unit's subject. Quizzes, to reinforce your learning and to help you self-evaluate your level of knowledge of the learning unit contents. Resources and materials, to provide you with further readings, relevant open educational resources, link to online websites, etc. This course has been created as part of the FACTIV project, co-founded by the Erasmus Plus program of the European Commission. Enjoy your learning.